All right. Hi, everyone. My name is Marius. I'm the coach of Team Roche. And over the last couple of months, we've had the pleasure of working with Jens, our customer from Roche. Hello, Jens. Thanks for being here tonight. And up on this slide, you can see that Lukas was our project leader, and you can also see our 7 great developers. I want to say thank you to you guys for the tremendous amount of work you've put in. And that said, I want to hand it straight to Michael, who will tell you all about our new Neptune app. Enjoy.
Well, thank you, Marius. I'm proud to be here. The last 3 months were really exciting for us, and I want to jump right in. Our vision was to improve diabetes management by correlating data from different sources into one single app. Yeah, I've been told a picture says more than 1,000 words, so we want to start with a short video. Enjoy.
Diabetes is a rapidly growing lifestyle disease that already affects 1 in 10 people in Germany. Living with diabetes includes a lot of challenges: checking your blood sugar, keeping track of what you eat, how much you exercise, just to name a few of them. But now, there's a better way. With your new Neptune app, you can seamlessly import your blood sugar readings from your AccuCheck device. Keep using the apps you like. Through close integration with Apple Health, Neptune presents an innovative solution to analyzing your data. You can be confident to do whatever you want and have your data whenever you need it. Share your whole status with your medical advisor and get the most out of your treatment. Let our app handle your everyday challenges so you can concentrate on the important things in life.
Now that you have an idea what our app is about, I want to invite you to join our live demo. I'm a medical professional, and this is Irina, a type 1 diabetes patient who is here for her appointment.
Miss Camilleri, doctor is ready for you. Please come to room 3.
Oh, hi there.
Hello, doctor.
How are you?
Well, thanks.
Please have a seat. So, you have your new blood glucose meter for 2 weeks now, right? How's your blood sugar lately? Did you bring your logbook?
Yeah, mostly good, thanks.
Okay, let's see. It seems like some blood sugar values are missing here, and you did not track your food at all. Irina, listen, you have to write down exactly how many calories you eat and how many calories you burn. Otherwise, I can't see how your therapy is progressing.
But why would I write all this down? That's so much duplicate work. I already used the My Food Log app for that.
Oh, you already have an app for that?
Yeah.
I think I can work with that. Did you see the post about the new Neptune app in the waiting room?
Yeah, I've actually just downloaded it, but I've not really checked it out.
If you want, we can set it up together.
Yeah, here it is. Well, I've just downloaded it now, and wow, that's so strange. All my food data is already here.
Yes.
How does that work?
Neptune automatically synchronizes food and fitness data with other apps. This works like magic.
Did someone say magic? I know a little something about magic. Let me make things clear for you. My Food Log stores Irina's food data in Apple Health. Health is a shared repository of all health-related data on your iPhone. Other third-party apps like Nike app or My Gym can also store their data in Apple Health. Neptune can ask user permissions to access this data. Neptune can also store its blood glucose data in Apple Health.
It's great, so I can just continue using my favorite apps.
Oh, yes, you can.
The poster also said I can get my blood sugar readings in here. How can I do that?
Yes, you can either do it manually using this button here, or if you have an AccuCheck device, you can do it automatically. Did you bring yours?
Yeah, it's 1 second. Oh yeah,
Oh,
here it is.
perfect, here it is. So let's pair your AccuCheck device and synchronize your data for the first time.
Magical, isn't it? To get Bluetooth working, our developers went through this 300 pages of standard to find one useful thing, a link to another standard. But let's see how this works. The AccuCheck Connect meter advertises itself to the nearby devices. Data collectors like Neptune app are searching for meters nearby, and then they can send a connection request and initialize the pairing process. At this moment, the AccuCheck Connect meter generates a pin and displays it. The user reads this pin and enters in Neptune app. If the pin matches, the devices are now successfully paired, and now they can communicate securely. For the first time, all the results present with AccuCheck Connect meter is transferred to the Neptune app. From now on, if Irina takes a blood test, this result is automatically transferred to Neptune app. To make it more energy efficient, we only transfer the newest values available.
So, if you go back to the dashboard now, you can see all your blood glucose values in this simple graph.
Awesome. No more logbooks.
Yes, no more logbooks. Nice machine, isn't it? That's always my favorite part. So, let's look at your values together. What happened here?
10 a.m. Yeah, that's when I normally go for my runs. I actually broke my Nike record that time.
That's awesome, but as you can see, your blood sugar is quite low there. By the way, through the Nike running app, Neptune actually sees how many calories you burned. Now, the next time you go there, remember that you have to eat something afterwards. Otherwise, your blood sugar isn't in a healthy range.
How am I supposed to keep track?
You know what? I will set up a recommendation so Neptune reminds you the next time this happens. The next time you burn a high amount of calories, let's say 400 in a short amount of time, how long are your runs usually?
2 hours max.
Okay, in 2 hours, Neptune should remind you with this personalized notification. Perfect. I think you're good to go now.
I also have an Apple Watch. Would the app work with it as well?
Yes, Neptune is quite comprehensive. It works with an Apple Watch as well.
Great. Thank you, doctor.
So remember to come back in 2 weeks so we can review your results. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oh, a notification. Irina received this notification because she crossed the threshold doctor has set for her. The Neptune app makes use of the observer pattern to make this in practice. Let's see what happened. Doctor already stored a threshold of 400 kilocalories burnt in less than 2 hours. How this works behind the scene is Neptune registers as an observer with Apple Health. From now on, any calorie data added into Health will notify Neptune about this. Irina went for the run in the morning and burned 250 kilocalories, which is stored in Health by her Nike app. At this moment, the Healthkit notifies Neptune app about this calorie data. Neptune then fetches the calorie data added for the last 2 hours from the Health. As you see, this value is less than the threshold, nothing happens. Meanwhile, Irina ran for another hour, and she burned 200 kilocalories more, which was also stored in the Health. And Health again notifies Neptune about this calorie data. Neptune then fetches last 2 hours of the calorie data burned. As we see this value is more than the threshold by 50 kilocalories, a notification is triggered. At this moment, the recommendation manager delegates this process to the local notification manager. The local notification manager then sends the notification to Apple Watch, like the one Irina received now.
It's so awesome that the doctor set this up for me. I better eat something.
Oh, hi there. Didn't see you there. I'm Thomas, and I'm a researcher in the field of diabetes. I want to show you how Neptune helps me conduct medical studies. On this portal, I can set up a survey targeting a specific group of people. This group of people includes Irina. In the app, selected Neptune users can now decide to participate in the study. As we can see, Irina decided to take part. This is a short survey with 3 parts. All of her personal information is already pre-filled based on her Neptune profile. The other questions I was interested in were the app's most useful feature, how often patients take blood glucose tests, and how often they see their medical advisor. One more thing, participants also have the option to attach all their blood glucose data to be analyzed for medical research. Awesome. Thank you, Irina. I can now see all the results here. As we can see, there are already 2 participants. Here's Irina's blood glucose data, and here are her answers to the questions. Let's check out Yolanda's blood glucose data. Wow, she's on a constant sugar high. Should be interesting to research how she's still alive. I better get to it right away.
Good luck, Thomas. Now that you've seen some of the features of our app, I want to review what we've achieved overall. We successfully integrated Healthkit, we connected to the AccuCheck device to get blood glucose readings, and we then presented the data from these sources as actual information, like the graph you saw. All key features are available on the Apple Watch, and in our demo you could also see the research kit implementation as well as our recommendation feature. After 3 months, this project is now almost at its end, but we thought about ideas how we could make the app even better and came up with a few. Machine learning algorithms could make the automated pattern detection smarter by correlating data. Second, by introducing gamification features such as achievements, we could increase the long-time motivation of patients to stick to Neptune. And finally, by supporting continuous blood sugar meters, we could present even more precise data to the patient. Before I hand over to our customer Jens, who has a chance to ask questions, I want to take this moment to thank those who organized this awesome practicum. I think it's a real opportunity for students to apply and expand their skills. And yes, I think this is deserved an applause. So thank you Professor Brügge, Lukas, and Dora for investing your time and, more important, your passion. And I also want to thank my team. It was a real pleasure working with all of you. And every one of you was invested in making the app the very best we could make it. And I think we can be proud on what we've achieved. Thank you. So Jens, any questions?
So actually, first of all, I'd like to let you guys know I'm blown away by the presentation. You guys have amazing presentation skills, and the way you present it is perfect. So I really liked it. I'm also blown away by the results. This is much more than I had hoped for. It works perfectly. And what is really amazing is you didn't go 90%, you did go all the way through. So it's a, we would say in Germany, it's a whole shoe, right? Wird ein ganzer Schuh draus. So thank you very much. Obviously, I only saw the tip of the iceberg, and I know there's much work done. The one question I have is, you know, we are a company selling strips, and how could we make the users produce more tests, use more strips?
So basically, you refer to the test stripes users have to use when they take a blood glucose test, right?
Right.
Well, I think our app could do this. For example, our app has the functionality to set a target number of tests a user should take. Oh. So there in the upper right corner, you see that Irina has already taken 3 out of 6 tests today. The target number can be modified for each patient individually. And if she now adds another blood glucose value, either manually or by the AccuCheck device, it updates automatically. Also, by introducing a gamification feature, as mentioned, this could also be improved. I hope that answered your question.
Great ideas. Thank you very much.
See you later at our booth. Just look for the wizard. Thank you.